All right. It is 10/16/25. It is a Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. Again, a no news day. Nothing really crazy today besides I lost. And we'll get into that. But coming in the market, I would like to see a long position because, ever since down here, we continue the trend. Maybe long position is continuous upwards, so we're bullish on the day. Well, that didn't end up being how, well, the trend was bullish on the day, to say the least. We come in the market, and I woke up a little later today. Decided to sleep in till 9:40, but it didn't really matter. We didn't get anything for I don't know how long, until this was obviously invalid. Did not take that. This breakout at 9:45. I deleted previous day high because if I was gonna get a retest, it was gonna be off of the day, and then the 5 and 15. The 5 and 15-minute opening range was the same, so we consolidated for the open for the first 15 minutes. It was real shitty. I made a video on my TikTok. It was a really shitty day, and I've already fucking learned the lesson of don't trade during consolidation. I'm not gonna get A+ setups, nor am I gonna get high probability setups. Well, we lost today, so we're gonna show you why. So of course I wanted to trade. I love trading, I want to trade, so why not? But I, told myself, no trade's a good trade. Yeah, well, we took a trade, right here, and honestly, it wasn't that bad. But in hindsight, two things could have happened. First of all, first 30 minutes I should have just been done with the day. First hour should have been done with the day. Hour. We should have just got off. Seeing all this, I should have just got off. But no, we decided to wait. And looking at it now, these always show up, I swear, like during a reversal. Head and shoulders, look at it. Oh. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and reversal. Literally reversal. Ooh. So yeah, we took a trade right here. We had a nice breakout, to be honest. It was nice, but too much of a breakout here. If it retested here, then yeah, but too much. The retest took too long, and knowing that, I was like, oh man, this RR is about to be crazy because I'll go for high of day, or a whole number, which is 125160. Well, we entered on this retest, which honestly, which is this candle, the 1051 candle. Okay, not bad. We retested the day, almost retested the 5 and 15. Well, we put my stop loss right there. The next candle, 1052. We got tagged out. That's just trading. It just happens. First of all, this trade would never have hit because we were forming head and shoulders and we absolutely tanked. Well, nonetheless, we can talk about the potentially, if I waited, right? Now, this tiny move could have got this tiny move. but I should have been done today either way. Now, if I did wait for more, which honestly I should have, if we entered on this candle, still a nice entry, it would have worked out. If I went for a 1 to 2, if I went for high of day, obviously did not go high of day. So in general, just a bad day. Really just chop. And when you see that, you don't want to trade. And well, I traded right on the head and shoulders, and I tried to go long, and well, now there is other, I don't trade past 11, but if I were to and I waited, it's like, oh, this is reversing. Look at this beautiful rejection. Nonetheless, I probably would have entered right here. My stop loss right here, and we got tagged out. Right? But then if we obviously entered again later, you know, that's just bad trading. That's not how I trade. Nonetheless, losing day, and then we lost 700 on that one trade. I deleted the file, so we can't even look at the trade. But not the file, just I deleted the video. Because there wasn't really anything special. I'm a dumbass. I traded when it was consolidating for the first hour and 10 minutes. We took one trade, we lost like 7 something, right? We did enter on this, or I believe, yes, we did enter on this candle. And I was going for high of day, and we seen this candle right here, or no, yeah, this candle right here, the 1057 candle. I bailed out early for like a small 100, so it was an $800 loss today. 813. Still up on the week. Tomorrow we're gonna go in the tomorrow week. We're honestly following the less trades this week type of my goal of less trades. So we're half and we're almost done for the week, right? But today was a no trade day. We could have been up $1,000 instead of up 200. But now, nonetheless, we journal, and we don't take dumb trades. The second trade was on the basis of the same thesis and same entry, so I guess you could say it was okay to do, but it was just a bad day to trade in general for me, so I don't even know why I did that. But you know, life goes on. We have a great buffer on the evaluation. $4,100. We're halfway, almost halfway there. That's fine. It's only a couple more trades, and nonetheless, we have tons of room to do it. So it's only a matter of time. But you gotta limit your losses and make your winning days bigger winning days, and let your winners run. Let your winners run. Cut your losses short. And I need to also lessons. Even though it wouldn't have worked out, maybe I bring my stop to break even at less, is on this entry, I need my stop loss to be on the breakout candle. Okay, so that would have helped us, right? You know, I'm almost tapped out, but we're still going for that 2R, so it doesn't really matter. But nonetheless, I probably, after seeing this red candle, or black, whatever, probably would have bailed out, nonetheless. You know, because I would have probably realized, but you know, that's in hindsight. We just gotta learn. Stop loss needs to be in a better place. We actually had lesson for stop loss for the last 2 trades, so I need to not play my stop losses so tight and give them more room, because I got tapped out. That was real quick. That was 1051 to 1052, and if I entered on 1052 and put my stop loss here, it would have been a 2-hour trade. Isn't bad, but we were looking for eye day nonetheless. Anything else? We have stop loss. We have don't trade during consolidation. That's about it. So, when W break even? It was a loss. Why? Traded. It was a long. R would have been 2. We're gonna go off the first trade because that's how I entered, and that's what I entered. It would have been 2.8 to 1. The one amounts 813. Time in 1051. Time out 1052. Bullish or bearish? We were bullish. Type of break and retest? It was the day. Well, yeah, see, I wanted the 5 and 15 minute. I really like that candle right there was absolutely perfect, and but you know, shit happened. We'll just, yeah, it's day. On my initial entry, it was day. Day. News again, no news day during when I traded. We opened between, yeah. Well, it's up here. Copy. Paste. Lesson important. Don't. Oh wow, okay. Trade. When in hard chop. And so be more lenient on your stop loss, or loosen up stop loss. Loosen up stop loss to break. And that is about it. What else was I gonna do? Oh. I literally have a paper. Follow my strategy. And then I have previous day high, pre-market, and 5-15 minute ranges. And then I have the times. But yeah, because, you know, oh, there's shit all over this. I don't even know what that is. Well, nonetheless, that's it. Adios. Another great day.